I'm Dr. James, and for over 30 years, I've worked with men in their 60s and 70s, helping them deal with something most people don't talk about out loud. Low energy, weak erections, that frustrating feeling that your body just doesn't respond the way it used to. I've seen it thousands of times, but a few years ago, something happened that caught even me off guard. I started noticing it in myself. Not all at once, just small things. Waking up tired, losing that sharp morning drive. And one night I remember thinking, that's strange. My body just didn't react. No pain, no illness, just silence. And I'll be honest with you, that moment hit me harder than I expected, because suddenly I wasn't just the doctor anymore, I was the patient. So I did what most men do. I tried the usual solutions, supplements, different diets, even some of those well-known pills. Some worked for a moment, but nothing lasted. And that's when I realized something that changed how I look at this completely. It's not just about testosterone. It's not even just about aging. What most people get wrong is this. It's about blood flow and how your body is being silently blocked from doing what it already knows how to do. That realization led me down a different path. I started looking at simpler things, overlooked things, things we've had for generations but stopped paying attention to. And what surprised me the most? One of the most powerful triggers I found was sitting in my own kitchen the whole time. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what it is, how something as simple as chewing one spice for 60 seconds can start waking your body back up, and the key mistakes that stop most men from ever seeing results. And number one, this is the one most men overlook at first. I almost did too. But once I tried it consistently, it made the biggest difference. If you're wondering where this comes from, I've left a quick note in the description so you can check it later. But before we go further, let me ask you something simple. How old are you? Drop your age in the comments. I read them all, and it helps me understand who I'm speaking with. All right, now let's get into it. Because this first step, just 60 seconds, can start changing how your body responds faster than you might expect. 1. The hidden mechanism most men miss. Let me start with something simple. So simple that most men ignore it. Take 2 or 3 whole cloves, place them between your back teeth, and gently bite down until they crack. Don't rush it. Let them sit in your mouth for about 30 seconds before you slowly chew for another 30. It sounds almost too basic to matter, but what's happening in that 1 minute is actually very precise and very biological. You see, cloves contain a natural compound called eugenol. When you chew them slowly, that compound is absorbed directly through the soft tissues in your mouth and enters your bloodstream within minutes. Now here's where it gets interesting. Eugenol helps your blood vessels relax and open up, which improves circulation. And if you're over 60, that's exactly where the problem usually starts, because your blood vessels become stiffer over time, limiting flow where you need it most. There's also another layer to this. Eugenol supports the production of nitric oxide, which is essential for proper vascular response. Some clinical observations suggest that natural vasodilators like this can improve blood flow efficiency by around 20 to 30% under the right conditions. At the same time, cloves have mild calming effects on the nervous system, helping reduce stress signals that quietly suppress testosterone. So you're not just improving circulation, you're also supporting your hormonal environment at the same time. Here's how I recommend using it. 2 to 3 whole cloves, cloves, once in the morning on an empty stomach and once in the evening about an hour before bed. Chew slowly for a full 60 seconds, no shortcuts. This isn't about a quick fix. It's about sending consistent signals to your body, day after day, allowing those small changes to build over time. And what most men don't realize is this is only the beginning, because what you feel in those first few minutes is just a hint of what's happening deeper inside your body. 2. The synergy most doctors don't explain. Now let me take this one step deeper, because chewing cloves alone is powerful. But combining it with the right timing and state of your body is where things start to multiply. In traditional medicine, cloves were never used randomly. They were used when the body was calm, often in the evening, when the nervous system could actually receive and amplify their effect. Modern science now gives us a clearer picture of why that works, and it all comes down to one central mechanism: the interaction between blood flow and your nervous system. Here's what most men over 60 don't realize. Even if your blood vessels open, your body can still block the response if your stress system is active. Chronic stress keeps your body in a fight or flight mode, which tightens blood vessels and suppresses nitric oxide. Some clinical data shows that elevated cortisol levels can reduce nitric oxide activity by up to 25%, while also lowering testosterone production over time. On the other hand, compounds in cloves, including eugenol and beta-caryophyllene, have been observed to support relaxation pathways in the brain, helping reduce stress signaling and indirectly improving vascular response by another estimated 15 to 20%. So now you have a synergy. One part opens the blood vessels, the other calms the system that would normally shut them down. That's why timing matters. For beginners, I suggest starting with just one clove in the evening for the first 3 days, about 60 minutes before sleep. Chew gently for 60 seconds and focus on slow breathing while doing it. After that, you can increase to 2 to 3 cloves, adding a morning session on an empty stomach if your body responds well. Always avoid rushing and avoid combining it with alcohol or heavy meals because those can blunt the effect. There's also a risk factor here that you need to be aware of. If your stress levels remain high, poor sleep, constant worry, or even late-night screen exposure, you can cancel out much of the benefit without realizing it. That's why this method isn't just about what you chew, it's about the state your body is in when you do it. And what I'm about to show you next goes even deeper because there's another hidden system in your body that can either accelerate this process or quietly destroy it. 3. The compound that works within minutes. Now, this is where things start to feel different, not in weeks, but sometimes within the same day. The key compound here is still eugenol, but now we're focusing on how fast your body can actually use it. When you chew cloves and hold them in your mouth, eugenol bypasses digestion and enters your bloodstream directly through the oral mucosa, which means your body doesn't have to wait the way it does with most supplements. That's why some men report a noticeable warmth, clearer thinking, or a subtle physical response within 15 to 30 minutes. Here's the simple process. Once eugenol enters your blood, it signals your blood vessels to relax while also supporting nitric oxide pathways, improving circulation almost immediately. Some experimental data suggest that fast-absorbing natural vasodilators can increase localized blood flow efficiency by up to 20% within the first hour, while additional findings show improvements in vascular responsiveness by around 15% over short-term use. That may not sound dramatic, but in the body, even a small change in flow can create a very noticeable difference in performance, especially when it comes to stamina, responsiveness, and overall energy. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. It tastes strong, or I feel a slight burning sensation. That's normal. In fact, that warming or tingling feeling is a sign that the active compounds are being released and absorbed. It's not a side effect to fear, it's feedback from your body that the process has started. If it feels too intense, you can begin with just one clove and shorten the chewing time slightly for the first couple of days, then gradually build up as your body adapts. For best results, use 2 cloves in the morning on an empty stomach and 2 cloves in the evening. Chew slowly for 60 seconds each time. Avoid drinking water immediately after. Give your body at least 5 to 10 minutes to absorb everything fully. This approach gives you both a short-term boost you can feel and a long-term effect that builds over weeks. And yet, even with better blood flow and faster response, there's another hidden factor most men never consider, something that can either protect this progress or quietly reverse it overnight. 4. The stronger method that targets deep circulation. Now, this one might sound a little unusual at first, but it's one of the most powerful ways to amplify what you've already started. Instead of just chewing cloves, you combine them with warmth, specifically a warm clove infusion that you hold briefly in your mouth before swallowing. It sounds simple, but the temperature changes how your body absorbs and responds, and that's where things begin to go deeper. The main compound we're still working with is eugenol, but now we're activating it through a different pathway. When warmth is introduced, your blood vessels naturally expand, and this enhances both large blood flow and microcirculation, the tiny capillaries that actually deliver oxygen where it's needed. Eugenol then works through intermediaries like nitric oxide and prostaglandins, helping relax vessel walls while improving the flexibility of smaller vessels. This is critical for men over 60 because microcirculation is often where the real breakdown begins, leading to symptoms like numbness, slower healing, or a delayed physical response. Some vascular studies have shown that combining mild heat with vasodilating compounds can improve peripheral circulation by up to 30% within a short period, while other findings suggest microvascular flow can increase by 20% when both nitric oxide and local vessel relaxation are supported together. That's the synergy here. You're not just pushing more blood through larger vessels, you're actually helping it reach the smallest pathways that matter most. And that's often the missing link when men say, "I feel something, but it's not consistent." Here's how to do it properly. Start by steeping 2 cloves in warm water, not boiling, but around 120 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Take a small sip, hold it in your mouth for 20 to 30 seconds, then swallow slowly. Begin with 1 cup in the evening for the first 3 to 5 days, then gradually increase to twice daily if your body responds well. Avoid extremely hot temperatures as that can irritate the tissues, and if you have sensitive gums or are on blood-thinning medication, it's best to start very slowly and consult your physician. What makes this method powerful is that it reaches deeper layers of circulation that chewing alone may not fully activate. But even this is not the strongest level yet, because there's one final mechanism, one that doesn't just improve blood flow, it helps your body hold on to that strength long-term. 5. The method that locks in long-term strength. Now this one may sound a bit intense, but it's where everything starts to come together. Instead of just using cloves for immediate effects, we combine them with a small amount of healthy fat, like a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, and hold that mixture in the mouth briefly before swallowing. It might feel unusual at first, but this step is designed to slow down how the active compounds are released, allowing your body to absorb and use them more efficiently over time. The key compound we're focusing on here is still eugenol, but now we're changing how it's processed. When paired with fat, eugenol becomes more stable and stays active longer in your system, interacting with pathways like nitric oxide and also influencing endothelial function, which controls how your blood vessels expand and contract. There's also an indirect effect through anti-inflammatory mediators, helping reduce low-grade inflammation that quietly damages both large arteries and microcirculation. This matters because many men over 60 experience subtle symptoms like tingling, reduced sensitivity, or slower recovery, all signs that blood isn't reaching the smallest vessels effectively. Some studies on fat-soluble delivery of plant compounds show absorption rates can increase by up to 40%, while improvements in endothelial function have been observed in the range of 25% over consistent use. When you combine that with enhanced nitric oxide signaling, you're not just improving immediate blood flow, you're strengthening the system that maintains it. That's the difference between a temporary boost and something your body can actually hold on to. Here's how to use it. Start with 1 clove and half a teaspoon of olive oil, chew gently and hold in your mouth for about 45 to 60 seconds before swallowing. Do this once daily for the first 4 to 5 days, then gradually increase to 2 cloves and a full teaspoon if it feels comfortable. Use it in the evening for better integration with your body's recovery cycle and avoid very cold temperatures as warmth helps absorption. If you have digestive sensitivities or are taking medications, especially for blood pressure, start slowly and monitor how your body responds. This method works on a deeper level because it helps your body retain the benefits instead of losing them quickly. But even this isn't the final layer because there's one more mechanism, often completely overlooked, that determines whether your body can sustain strength or slowly lose it again without you noticing. 6. The method that rewires your night recovery. Now, this one might sound the most unusual so far, but it's also one of the most overlooked. Instead of focusing only on what you do during the day, this method targets what happens while you sleep by using cloves right before bed combined with slow nasal breathing. It may not sound powerful at first, but this is where your body actually repairs blood vessels and restores hormonal balance. The main compound here is still eugenol, but now it works through a deeper pathway involving your autonomic nervous system. When you chew cloves slowly at night and follow it with calm breathing, eugenol interacts with signaling pathways that reduce cortisol and support nitric oxide production, while also influencing melatonin release. This creates a chain reaction. Your blood vessels relax, microcirculation improves, and your body shifts into repair mode. Some sleep-related studies suggest that improved deep sleep can increase nighttime testosterone production by up to 20%, while better vascular relaxation has been linked to around 15% improvement in overnight circulation efficiency. This is especially important if you've noticed things like waking up tired, numbness in your legs, or slower healing. Those are often signs that your body isn't fully recovering at night. To start, use one clove about 45 minutes before bed, chew slowly for 60 seconds, then spend 2 to 3 minutes breathing through your nose, slow and steady. After a few days, you can increase to 2 cloves if it feels comfortable, but avoid combining this with late meals or alcohol, as that can disrupt the process. If you have sleep disorders or are on medication, start gently and pay attention to how your body responds. What makes this method different is that it doesn't just improve circulation in the moment, it helps rebuild it overnight. And what I'm about to show you next is the final layer, the one that ties everything together and determines whether these changes actually last. 7. The most powerful daily method, clove plus raw honey activation. This is the strongest method I've found, and it's the one I personally recommend when someone asks me, what should I do every single day? It may sound unusual, but combining cloves with a small amount of raw honey creates a completely different level of effect. The key compound here is not eugenol this time, it's polyphenols from raw honey, which work together with clove compounds to enhance absorption and stabilize blood vessel function. Here's why this matters. Think of your blood vessels like flexible tubes that have become stiff over time. Honey acts like a gentle conditioner, while cloves act like a signal to open them. Together, they improve both large blood flow and the tiny microcirculation that affects sensitivity and response. Some data shows raw honey compounds can improve endothelial function by up to 30 to 35%, while combined plant polyphenols have demonstrated circulation improvements approaching 40% in certain models. That's why this combination starts to feel different, not forced but natural and sustained. Here's how to prepare it. Take 2 crushed cloves and mix them with 1 teaspoon of raw, unprocessed honey, not heated above 104 degrees Fahrenheit to preserve its active compounds. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes, then slowly consume it, holding it in your mouth for about 30 seconds before swallowing. Start once daily for the first week, then move to twice daily if your body responds well, ideally morning and evening. This is not a quick fix, it's a daily signal you give your body to rebuild. It's inexpensive, easy to find, and simple to prepare at home. And most importantly, it reminds you of something many men forget. Your body hasn't lost its ability, it just needs the right conditions to recover. No drugs, low cost, and grounded in real biological response. If this helped you, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. I'll be sharing simple, science-based methods like this to help you restore strength, improve circulation, and feel like yourself again after 60. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.